At the end of each day, after you've seen your last patient and you've done the in-between patient clean and purging, you need to do the daily maintenance for your Teneo treatment center. Let me show you how to do that. The first thing you're gonna do is enter the auto purge menu on your touchscreen. You hit the sub dialog button and then you hit the middle auto purge button. The CDC recommends a 2-minute purge in this case each day, twice a day. So you're gonna do one at the end of the day and you're gonna do one in the morning. I'm gonna hit start. Then I'm gonna place the instruments into the treatment center. Make sure my water channels are open, just like in between patient purge. Once I have the doctor's element done, I'll come over and place the assistant items, including all the suction lines and the assistant's spray bit. Hit the green button and finally hit the start button. Now we wait for 2 minutes. We can continue wiping down, doing the rest of our end of day procedures. And when this auto purge is finished, we can shut the unit down. So now we'll wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so now that our 2-minute auto purge has completed, I'm gonna shut the unit down for the night. Press and hold the power button until you hear the beep. And the unit will shut down. I'm just gonna leave everything plugged in overnight. When I come in the morning and I turn the unit on, the auto purge will complete. Now I can take all of my instruments as well as my silicone pads and by undoing these tabs here, I can remove this item and clean that in the dishwasher. On the assistant element, I also have my silicone pad that I can remove here, and the assistant element tray here can also be removed. Now that I'm done with that, that's my daily maintenance. When I come in the next morning to finish the auto purge, I can turn the unit on and the unit will automatically complete the auto purge. So as you can see in here now, the unit will finish its auto purge and we're ready for the first patient of the next day. And that's how you do the end of day and beginning of day maintenance for your Teneo treatment center.